Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the user code on a Kwikset Powerbolt 250 door lock in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply remove the inside battery cover so that you can access this particular power button. So the location is this. So when you are able to find the program button, what you need to do is you need to simply press it once. After doing so on your lock, you just have to simply press 1. Then after pressing 1, you need to press this particular Kwikset logo button. So what this is going to do is it is going to start the user code programming mode on the Powerbolt 250. So once that is done, you need to simply start entering the new user code that you want to set. So the user code should be minimum 4 digits and maximum it can go 8 digits. Afterwards, when you are done adding your code, you just have to simply press this Kwikset logo button again in order to save the code. So if it is successful, the log should beep and this particular button is also going to turn green. And if that happens, it means that you have successfully set the or changed the user code on the Kwikset Powerbolt at 250 door lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.